Welcome to Top 4 Earn channel.
Do you want to make thousands of dollars per month without AdSense, without CPA marketing, and without affiliate marketing? Maybe you don't want to sell anything and still make money from YouTube. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to grow a completely new channel from scratch without making your own videos, how to make thousands of dollars from it without selling, and how to make passive income as you sleep. This will allow you to work from your laptop with just an internet connection. And if you want a quick tip on how to double your revenue, just give me a few minutes of your time and make sure to stay to the end. Now, how are you going to make money on YouTube without filming yourself and without selling affiliate products or CPA products and stuff like that? And I'm going to show you the first step channel right here. So this is called Vlog, no copyright music. And if you just click on About right here, you can see that they have gained over 164 million views. All right, just click on videos right here and we're gonna check out their most recently uploaded videos. Here you can see that they're getting thousands and thousands of views, 500, like a consistent 500 views every single day just from their newly uploads. That's pretty cool, right? And you might be asking, how much does these people make just from AdSense alone? And we can just check right here that their monthly earnings is anywhere from $1,000 to $28,000. And I can speak from experience, and it's pretty much in the dead middle in the music niche. But we're not even going to talk about AdSense in this video right here. You can also see that they're getting 250 up to 300,000 views every single day just from these simple videos, 3-minute long videos, and they're not even doing anything special. Now, what about another channel right here that's getting anywhere from 5,000 up to 77,000, making 600,000 views every single day? Or this other channel right here making over 40,000, all of the $648,000 per month and 5 million views per day. That's pretty cool, right? Now, as I said, we're not going to talk about the AdSense. I'm going to show you how to monetize without AdSense in this video. Now, I want to step back to this right here. Now, this is a channel called Audio Library Music for Content Creators. And what happens here is that they will literally upload the audio library to YouTube and make a ton of money from it. And if you want to get views like this, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So the first thing is, you can see that the image is really simple to do. All you have to do is go over to pixabay.com. They have over 1.7 million high quality stock images. And as you can see, let's go back. Here you can have a picture of like urban snow in the fields and stuff like that. And all we have to do is click right here and search for urban. And here you will get a ton of copyright free images that you can literally just click free download and download it right here. High quality image that has no copyright. The second website you can do this with is called pexels.com, and we can go again urban and search for that. Even more free stock photos and videos that you can use in your videos and just literally post it directly in there. All you have to do, look at this handsome man right here, click on free download, and that's all you have to do. And you can even say thanks to this guy that took this photo. And I recommend you do that. Come on, people are taking good photos for you to use for free. You don't have to, but I mean, he took this amazing photo. Share the love. And the last website, which is pretty much my favorite, is unsplash.com. And all we have to do, urban again, and we can check out all these. Wow, I like this one. I like this one. And you can use these for free in your videos. Wow, this one is also really, really cool. So you can just click here. You can just click on download free right here. And that's it. You have this image now and you can use it in your videos and even in the thumbnail. Now you might be thinking, how am I going to get the audio for this? All you need to do is head over to youtube.com/audio library. And once you are here, you can download all these tracks for free. You can even click on genre, and here you have all these different tracks that you can use. Click on mood, and you have all these different moods that you can use as well as instrument, duration. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a listen right now. I'm a rock type of guy, so let's go to rock. Let's listen to this one right here. Oh yeah, baby. What about this song right here, Motel Rock? Getting some Mission Impossible vibes from this one. I need some more heavy stuff. Let's try this one. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. So you're literally free to re-upload every single song that's on here, and all you have to do is just click on this download button, and there you can see baby downloading right now. Now, I'm a rock and metal type of guy. Tell me what genre of music you like in the comments down below. Now I'm going to show you how to turn this into a video that you can upload for free really quickly. But before that, make sure you drop the like on this video. Also, slap the subscribe button, because if you don't, we're never going to have a screwdriver bullhorn through our back. You always talk about how much you want to do that. Just slap the subscribe button, smash the like button. So here's the free software. It's called DaVinci Resolve. And don't download OpenShot that I see so many people talk about. It's just shit. You can get this really good software all for free if you just go all the way to the bottom and click for Mac, Windows, Linux, and you can download for free now. And I'm going to show you how it looks like. When it opens, just click on Open an Untitled Project. Then you want to click on Edit down here. Then you want to take the baby and the picture, just drag it into the media pool, and the image also into the media pool. Now what you want to do is drag the image all over to the timeline right here. And also we're going to drag the audio over to the timeline. Then we're going to click on this image, zoom in holding Alt and just scrolling on the mouse. And you can see this little thing open up, and here we can see how long it will last. And just do that. Now you can see that the image aspect ratio is not the best, so we're just gonna click on this and drag it out. And now this picture will last throughout the entire video. Quick question for you. Are anybody gonna watch this image with background music in it? Nah. So we need to spice things up. Now it looks like this. It's literally just a static image with some audio in the background, and nobody's gonna watch that. And what I recommend is that you go to this guy's tutorial, and he will show you how to make like this audio visualizer that looks really cool. And it's really simple. It takes you 15 minutes to do. Now, how are you going to monetize this? And also, how can you automate this to get passive income? If you go to any of the audio library songs right here, you can see that in the link in the description, they have a free download link. And what you need to do is to go to file-upload.com. All you have to do is click on make money right here. And you can see that File Upload pays $7 per 1,000 upload, depend on downloader location. And you can see that actually $500,000 has been paid out from this. They have over 400,000 members, and let's say proof of payments. You can see that they pay over and over and over again to all these different uploaders. Now, if you want to make even more money, you can click on this website right here, AdFly, and stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to automate this entire process in just a second. So here, you maybe have seen this before, but it's literally a bridge page. So if they click on this AdFly link and they go to your uploader, an ad will just pop up and they can just click on skip this ad, and then you're going to make money. They pay through PayPal and Payoneer, and you can see that these are the ad rates that you can get. So from all these different countries, it obviously depends what country you're from and the ad rates that you're gonna get. We can see that if we go to United States, the highest is 138 per 1,000 click. I don't think that's very normal, but unique $14, raw $4, or even almost $5 right here for the desktop CPN. Really cool, right? Now the last step on how you can automate all of this is go to upwork.com and post a job. Here you can click on short-term part-time work. Just enter video virtual assistant, click on next. And here you enter a description, like put copyright-free music and images together in DaVinci Resolve with an audio visualizer. Click on next. Here you can do pay by the hour, entry, and more than 6 months, or depending on how much you want to do, less than 30 hours a week. Then you can click on post job now, and you can get people to work for you for $6 an hour here, $5 an hour here, $5 an hour here, even just $4 an hour here.